Hello everyone, what's up with you guys? So as you must have already seen the title of this video, I am gonna talk about my current favorite fragrances that I'm just so addicted to, and I'm gonna start my year with these perfumes because I'm really fond of perfumes. And there's a very particular type of perfume scent that I like. I don't like too strong perfumes. I don't like very musky perfumes. I like very floral, fruity perfumes which are very like mildly strong but not super strong, but they're like very floral at the same time and very fruity, very calming and refreshing in general. So I'm just gonna start with my list. I always buy all my perfumes from Amazon because they have some crazy deals every hour, and they currently have their Great Indian Festive Sale. So don't forget to shop these amazing scents. The first perfume that we're talking about is this one right here. This is the Noah Tease by Victoria's Secret. Now this one I got for 5,500, which is for 7,000 rupees. This fragrance is from their Seductive collection. Now as soon as you will kind of sniff this fragrance, you will just notice that this is so sexy. The fragrance is so seductive in a very nice way, of course, and it's got like a bunch of garden in it. Very fruity, very flirtatious, and very floral, and it's quite feminine, like very strongly feminine. I can like vouch on this, that as soon as this perfume is being sniffed by anyone, it's going to give that attitude of seductiveness, classiness, and also feminism. So that's what I can gauge out of this perfume. This has got a mix of black vanilla with frozen pear in it, and I really like the decoration that's done on the black bottle. It's completely black with a touch of this decorated lace on top, and this pink atomizer to just dispense the right kind of amount that you need to put onto your body. I'm so fond of this perfume. Currently I'm like using this a lot, so this is really good. This is like one of the best purchases that I've made from Victoria's Secret fragrance collection. Up next that we're talking about is Sea Passion by Giorgio Armani. This one I got for 98.50, which otherwise is for 14,000 rupees, and I think it was a complete steal deal for me. I love the red color on the bottle, which embodies the strength of a woman of wearing a red lipstick very boldly and very confidently. And as soon as I saw this bottle when I was purchasing it a year back, I thought that this is like so much confidence. It gives so much strength to a woman because of the bright red bold color that it has on its entire cover. So this one is again very fruity, but it's got a little bit of like a subtle effect to it. Whenever I wear this perfume, I feel very confident and very bold. As soon as you will open the bottle, bright and fresh are the first notes that you will think as the first impression, but then it has blackcurrant to give that addition of boldness to the entire notes, and it's just so amazing. And I think it's like a perfect evening perfume, an evening scent that you would like to wear for a dinner date, for a party, or for a evening family outing. But this is just so nice. I love the longevity that it has. It stays for a very long time. It's definitely a very powerful and very passionate scent. So I really like these kind of scents. It's really hard to describe it sometimes, but this is like mild but very strong at the same time, like giving a super strong effect. So that's how I will define Sea Passion by Giorgio Armani. Up next that we're talking about is Jour de Hermes. So I got this perfume for 11,877, which otherwise is for 12,550. I am really sorry if I'm pronouncing it the wrong way, but this is what I know of it. It may be pronounced in some other correct way, but I will link everything in the description box below for you to have a look at it correctly. So this perfume bottle by Hermes is like a whole bunch of femininity in it, in the form of this bottle. I love the golden effect that it has. It's a very, it looks a little bulky, but trust me, the scent, the fragrance is very, very feminine, and like it's got a mix of roses and jasmine in it, and like a complete flower bouquet of roses is here. And again, I've used quite a bit, but I'm just not going away from it. I'm not going to stop using this anytime sooner. With this, the fragrance is so deeply strong that only two sprays of it are more than enough for me, because sometimes there are perfumes that you need to spray a lot on your body just to give that proper effect. But with this one, I just need to spray it like twice, one on the left side, the other on the right side, and that's it. I'm just good to go. So a small portion of this golden bottle goes a long way. The last one out of the list is this one. This is the Beautiful Day Fine Fragrance Mist by Bath & Body Works. This one is priced at 1295 rupees. So this is also one of my favorite body mists that I usually like to spray, especially in this winter season. It's just so nice and it lingers onto the body for a very long time. And there's another good thing that this has aloe in it, so it kind of nourishes and conditions the body at the same time. Also, when you smell it, you will feel that it's got like a splash of daisies in it and a lot of cute floral things, and it's also a very long-lasting body mist. So those were my 5 favorite fragrances that I'm currently using, and let me know your favorites in the comment section below. Also, do make sure that you check out the Great Indian Festive Sale on Amazon, which is live now. All the links will be mentioned in the information box below, and I will link all of these products in the description box so you can have a look, check them out, and get them for yourselves. I will see you super soon. Bye!